All right, we got a lot of Friday birthdays to get through. We're going to start in Jasper with Wyatt Richardson celebrating birthday number 2 with love from Granny and Papa Charles. Happy birthday, Wyatt.
All right, Colson Beechner turning 4 years old this year in St. Paul, Kansas.
Leviticus Overman celebrating birthday number 7 in McCune. Happy birthday, Leviticus.
All right, and down in Riverton, Kansas, Jackson Bond is celebrating birthday number 8 this year.
Back north to Frontenac is Aspen Pryor celebrating birthday number 9. Happy birthday, Aspen.
All right, Aria Marino turning 9 years old as well. A little cheerleader there. Aria is in Oronogo.
And Annabelle Fegan celebrating birthday number 9. Annabelle, happy birthday.
All right, we've got Emmett Spivey celebrating birthday number 10. You know what? Chrissy's giving us a thumbs up there because he watches the morning show every morning. And a special note here said he loves Chris and Tanya. Well, we love you too, Emmett. Hope you have a wonderful 10th birthday.
We certainly do. We also have Maddie Hodgkin celebrating birthday number 16 in Galesburg, Kansas. And this says, we love you. Happy Sweet 16 from Mom and Dad. Happy birthday, Maddie.
All right. Olivia Bradfield celebrating birthday number 17 this year in Altamont.
And we've got, a little throwback picture there. Either that or she just ages very well. Could go either way. We also have Trinity Harms in Joplin celebrating birthday number 18. And this comes with love from Mom, Dad, and Jackson.
And a happy birthday coming from Aunt Karen going out to Lauren Richard, who's now 26 years old. Looking good there, Lauren, in Grove, Oklahoma.
And Jamie Fuentes is turning 28. Now, Jamie lives in California now, but she's from Oswego. And this comes with love from your dad, Dana, and siblings. And they say they'll see you soon.
And we know she's watching as we post these birthdays every morning on our website, KOAMNewsNow.com. Cole Rink is 38 years old this year. Check out that catch. That's really cool. Nice color, too. 38 years old. Always the life of the party. Love your wife.
All right. We've got Rory Chaplin celebrating birthday number 42 in Fort Scott. Happy birthday.
And Letta Natalini celebrating birthday number 50 this year in Scammon. And as I understand, she is one of the awesome cooks at George Nettles Elementary in Pittsburgh. Happy birthday, Letta.
All right. We've got Pete Hutley in Columbus celebrating birthday number 58. Happy birthday, Pete.
Don Thompson. Yup, that's Don the phone guy. You see him there, turning the big 6-0 this year. Hope it's a great one, Don.
We've got Steve Martin celebrating birthday number 70 in Columbus. And this comes with love from your wife, Karen.
All right. And Keith Frobish. Oh, look at that lovely throwback picture there. Keith is pictured with his cousin Marlene in this photo, turning 75 years old this year in Columbus.
And Dan and Barbara Duncan celebrating 44 years of marriage in Crestline. A very happy anniversary to you, Dan and Barbara.
Kathy Stewart celebrating a birthday in McCune. Birthday wishes coming from Mom, Grandma, and Great-Grandma.
And Andre Luke, one of our KOAM digital content producers, and there you can see him being very busy, as he always is, celebrating a birthday today. He's one of the many folks in our talented digital team that helps keep everything online. Happy birthday, Andre.
All right. James Barker turning 62 years old this year, formerly from Fort Scott, Kansas. Dale Goodien Jr. celebrating in Lenora, Kansas. Happy birthday to you.
And Yvonne Gettle celebrating a birthday in Columbus. Also in Columbus, Larry Zom celebrating birthday number 62. And a belated birthday wish going out to Don Barker in Nevada. Guys, this was a phenomenal list. And let's make it twice as long next week. How can they do that, Tanya?
Oh, it's easy to do. All you have to do is submit all the birthdays from your friends and family to us through email at birthdayswithanus@koamtv.com, or you can send them to birthdays@koamnewsnow.com. Both of those emails work super easy. Just make sure you get them to us at least 24 hours in advance.
And don't forget, when you're visiting our website, which is maintained by Folks like Andre Luke keeping things up to date. You can also sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club. You get some great deals from local businesses, and you get a special birthday message from your friends here at KOAM. Just go to KOAMnewsnow.com and sign up for that birthday club today.